Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about TableTop Bridge Lance. Left side we can see lancing feature and right side is a forming tool. So I'm going to show you how to create this feature with this forming tool. So this is the feature. This is the forming tool. I'm going to show you how to create this forming tool. Let's start now. I'm in the new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane. Go to sketch. I have created a simple rectangle 40 by 30. Now I'm going to create one extruded boss. Flip the direction downward. Here thickness is 2 mm. We can take any value. Select the top face, go to sketch, keep it normal, keep it in wireframe, take center point rectangle, make equal sides. Keep it in isometric, take 5 mm. See, I am creating this feature considering sheet thickness of 2 mm. Select the front plane, go to sketch, take center point arc. So select this corner and this point and coincide with it. See here, we don't have to constrain if you take center point arc. Once again, create other side. Select this edge, convert entity, select this edge, convert entity. Select this edge, convert entity, go to trim, select power trim, delete all the lines. Go to feature, mid plane, take 8 mm. Now select the fillet. This radius is around 2 mm. So equivalent to sheet thickness. Say okay. Now we have to add one more fillet. at two edges. This fillet we can take 4 mm. Now we have to remove this bottom base. So select front plane, go to sketch, keep it normal. Select this face, convert entity, go to feature, cut extrude. Go to mid plane. Now the tool has been created. Now select forming tool. So this is the stopping face. Here you can see the side portions are going to shear. So removing material. So faces to remove material. So we have to select this face, all the side faces. So rest it is going to be form. So the yellow portion is going to be forming faces. Say okay. So the tool is created now. So we can save this file in the forming tool folder. We can take any sheet size. I have taken sheet size of 2 mm thickness. Now I am going to place this forming tool. So keep it in top view, keep it in position, and we have to place exactly at center. See, the tool is in reverse direction, so we can flip this direction. Say okay. So this is the feature. This is how we create these kind of features in sheet metal module. Thank you very much.